Ever stared at your business account, ready to send money, and thought, wait, where does this money actually go? It's a question that plagues even the most seasoned business owners. You've set up your company with all the right tools, including a fantastic financial platform like Qonto, but now it's time to put it to work. The process of moving money into your new business hub should be as simple and seamless as the rest of your operations. So, let's cut through the jargon and get straight to the point. How do you make a transfer to your Qonto account? Think of your Qonto account as the central nervous system of your business finances. It's where all the financial signals converge, invoices get paid, salaries are processed, and expenses are managed. But for all of that to happen, you first need to get funds into it. It's a foundational step, and getting it right ensures everything else runs smoothly. The good news is, the process is incredibly straightforward, designed to save you time and headaches. There are essentially two main ways to get money into your Qonto account: a standard bank transfer, which most of us are familiar with, and a more modern, often faster method, instant transfers. Let's start with the classic. For a standard bank transfer, all you need is your Qonto account's unique IBAN. This is your account's international address, the set of numbers and letters that tells other banks exactly where to send the money. You can find your IBAN easily within your Qonto app or on the desktop interface. Just navigate to the Account or Details section, and it will be right there, ready to be copied. Once you have this number, you simply go to your other bank's online platform, choose Make a Transfer, and paste your Qonto IBAN into the recipient field. You'll also need to enter your Qonto account name, which is your business name. Double-check that everything matches, enter the amount you want to transfer, and hit Send. Depending on the banks involved, this process typically takes 1 to 3 business days. It's reliable, secure, and the method most people are already comfortable with. Now, let's talk about speed. In today's fast-paced world, waiting days for a transfer can feel like an eternity. That's where instant transfers come in. If your sending bank supports instant transfers and your Qonto account is set up to receive them, which most are, you can have the money appear in your account in a matter of seconds. The process is almost identical to a standard transfer. You'll still need your Qonto IBAN and business name. The key difference is often an option you'll see on your sending bank's platform that says Instant Transfer or Real-Time Payment. If you select this, the funds move at lightning speed, making it perfect for urgent payments or when you just can't wait. Remember, not all banks offer this service, so it's worth checking with your sending bank first. Beyond these two methods, Qonto also makes it easy to receive money from your clients. When you generate an invoice from your Qonto account, it will automatically include your IBAN, making it simple for your clients to pay you directly. This streamlines the entire payment process, reducing the back and forth and ensuring you get paid faster. So, whether you're topping up your account to pay suppliers, moving funds from a different business account, or simply waiting for a client to pay an invoice, Qonto has made the process as transparent and efficient as possible. The power to manage your business finances is literally at your fingertips, and getting money into your account is the first, most crucial step. It's about empowering you to focus on what you do best, running your business, not wrestling with your bank. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.